Hello everyone, if you are looking to buy a new plan from Hostinger and get the best offer, then today I will show you how to use my coupon code and get the best offer. First thing you have to do is check the video description. You will find my website link smarthelpguides.com. From there go to blog and then go to this post, or you can directly follow the link from the description. And then here you will see some of the reasons to buy Hostinger. Then in the offer section here, you will see this coupon code. Just click to copy this code. It will automatically open a Hostinger website. On this page, you have to select the type of hosting you are looking for. If you want to create a WordPress website, go here, click on this option, then click on hosting for WordPress. Or if you're looking for shared hosting, then also you can select this option, web hosting. Most users want to create WordPress website, so I will select this hosting. Then scroll down, then select a plan. I would suggest you to at least start with the premium plan. Then depending on the hosting period you are looking for, you will get the discount amount. I would suggest you to at least select this 12 months plan, otherwise you will not get this free domain. Then click on this option, have a coupon code. From the website page, you can copy this code and paste it here. Click on apply and you can see here the coupon code has been applied successfully. Then you can click on continue. Create your account with your email address and password. Then you can create your website. You can also watch my tutorial, or you can also check the link in the description and watch my video to learn how to create a WordPress website with Hostinger.